Hello students, this is Dr. Faizan Mirza. I'm discussing adaptation of rice, how rice is adapted in growing in paddies and how it can carry out anaerobic respiration together with aerobic respiration and still fight back the toxicity of alcohol. Adaptation of rice, we know that rice are grown preferably in paddies and paddies are intentionally flooded fields. Paddies are rich in mud and mud is rich in aerobic microorganisms. These aerobic microorganisms they scavenge all the oxygen present in mud, so the roots of these rice plant they do not have access to a lot of oxygen. So these roots they respire by alcoholic fermentation, and alcohol, you know that when alcohol is produced, it's toxic for the cells. But the rice plant varieties have the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase present in these regions. So when alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme is there, it turns alcohol into wastes which are harmless, and these non-toxic wastes then can be removed from the plants. So ATP is constantly being produced in this anaerobic environment. What about the region of plant or the rice plant which is above the mud? So this is the paddy field, which is this was in the soil and this was in the mud. This is the aerial part of the plant with leaves, and these are the rice fruit with rice hanging from it. Aerobic respiration occurs on in all these regions. If you cut this section open, we see that the inside of this plant, it shows that cells are arranged in very regular manner with vascular bundles and epidermis and all the cortex cells as well. But the central region is occupied by a specialized tissue called parenchyma. Parenchyma is a specialized tissue with across which air is present, and air can then transport from one part of this plant to another, very much similar to xylem and phloem, which are involved in transportation of water and ions and sucrose respectively. Parenchyma ends up promoting how gases can transport vertically all along this plant. So oxygen diffuses through the stomata, and from these cells it goes into the parenchyma, and parenchyma then transport this air all along. And carbon dioxide again goes in the reverse direction in the very same way. If you cut this root from this side, you see parenchyma and these air spaces and roots as well. So this parenchyma is an adaptation of rice varieties which promotes how oxygen can still be delivered if they are grown in paddies. Different varieties of rice, they grow tall. The leaves and flower spikes are held above water and allow oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange to occur through stomata. For a good gas exchange would mean more oxygen is available and more ATPs can be produced and the plant can grow tall faster. Parenchyma is present in stem. These are loosely packed cells, and parenchyma are all interconnected. They end up circulating air throughout the plant. The submerged roots, they undergo anaerobic respiration, as already discussed. Alcoholic fermentation occurs, but alcohol toxicity is prevented by the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase. Ethene and gibberellins are plant hormones. They promote faster growth by cell division and absorption of water, and these are also used by the different varieties of rice to increase their yield or increase their just enhance growth. That's it from my side. Thank you so much.